Institutions that provide civic amenities. Civic amenities. The amenities which are made available to all the people for a smooth day-to-day life are called civic amenities. For example, water for drinking and other uses, trains or buses for travel, roads, bridges, playgrounds, gymnasiums, etc. Some amenities are necessary to protect us from disasters. A fire brigade becomes necessary in the event of a fire breaking out. We need means of communication. If we wish to convey our well-being to our relatives, these and such other facilities and amenities save our labor in day-to-day life, and we can lead a happy and contented life. Educational institutions. We all like to go to school and study there. We learn something new every day in our school. We develop a new will and enthusiasm from learning new things. We develop the habit of thinking independently. Our self-confidence grows. There are a number of schools in our surroundings. Besides, we have polytechnic schools that give training in carpentry, electrical fitting, tailoring, computer repairing, water tap repairing, etc. On growing up, we can enroll in these schools and acquire some skill of our liking. Any work that is useful for society carries the same status. There is dignity in all kinds of labor. Health centers. Primary health centers provide preliminary treatment for diseases and in the event of accidents. We have a large number of such primary health centers, both in the urban and rural areas of our state. Primary health centers work for the prevention of epidemics and for the implementation of vaccination campaigns. These health centers also educate people on how to maintain good health. Good health is beneficial to personal and social life. It is our responsibility to maintain good health. Healthy people step up the strength of a country. We can save the money that would be spent on medical treatment. We must remember that the health facilities in our area are meant for our welfare. If we fall ill, we miss our school, we cannot play with our friends, we cannot attend any ceremonies or functions. Therefore, we must strive to keep fit as far as possible. We should eat nutritious food, take regular exercise, indulge in activities of physical labor, and maintain personal hygiene. Means of communication. Means of communication include means of transport and means of communicating with others. We cannot meet all our relatives and friends every day. However, we often need to tell them something. We are eager to hear something from them. This problem of keeping in touch with distant people has been solved by these means of communication. You often travel during vacation. The major means of transport are bus, train, and aeroplane. Ships are also used. In the last few years, tremendous progress has been achieved in the means of communication. We can now travel not only in our own province or country, but also to any part of the world. Telecommunications. Don't you get pleased when you receive a letter? Of course you do. The letter is your dialogue of communication with your friends. Who manages the give and take of all these letters? It is our Postal Service Department. Every village or town has a post office where mail is exchanged. Nowadays, computers are also used for communication on a large scale. It takes very little time for your letter to reach its destination. Internet, email, fax, phone are the modern means of communicating with others. Growth in the means of communication has made our social life more joyful. Civic amenities for all. Civic amenities are meant for all people. We must know what new civic amenities are being provided to us by the government. Using these amenities properly, you can become a better and conscious citizen.